Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and today I'm back with another Tuesday morning. So I had so much fun at Tuesday morning. I'm also going to be showing a small Hobby Lobby haul as well. But I had so much fun shopping at Tuesday morning that I actually had a different Tuesday morning because I was looking for Maya Road dies. And I did find one, which I was shocked to find. It was such a surprise. I have not seen it at all any of my Tuesday mornings. So I don't know if they have been there for a while or if they're a newer item, but I don't know. If someone can tell me. So I got a thumbs down on my last Tuesday morning haul, and I don't know why, but in another video someone said it's because they don't show the code or tell the code, which I think is so dumb. That's the reason. Then you should put in the comment that that's what you are looking for. Because I think most YouTubers, people make videos, would love to, wouldn't mind sharing that, but maybe they don't even think about it. And I'm one of those who have not even thought about it. So this is I Live Sunshine. And if you can't see the code, it's 1972446. I don't think my camera is going to focus on that. So it's 1927446. It's normally $14.99, even though my Hobby Lobby sells these for less. But this is a really cute one. This is $5.99 Echo Park. I might have had, I feel like I haven't had this 12 by 12 pad, paper pack or whatever. This one is Summer Bliss, another one I don't think I've had. I've had so many of the summer ones. The code for this is 1927448. It's $5.99. And you get 12 by 12 double-sided papers, including cover, 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. It's pretty nice. This one I know I don't think I've had. If I have, I can't remember. This one is Playground, and its code is 1927441, and it's $5.99. So great deal on that. I went ahead and got it. So I did find a Maya Road die. Like I said, just the one. I'm so excited to find it, but I want to find the other ones. So someone can tell me like how long ago it was that they had seen it in their store, so I can get an idea if it's something that just hasn't found its way to California yet, or if you already bought them all in California. I'd like to know that as well. So anyway, this is the Aloha Palms dies by Maya Road. They're $4.99, and the code is 1970511. 1970511, and it's so cool. I love the color of the dies, and I can't wait to use this on something, anything. I really want to find all the other ones that people found. So I was so happy and excited to find that. Then I found some Maggie Holmes little jewel clips. So these are always cool to have in my stash. You know, flip books, albums, whatever. These are kind of fun to throw in there. Planners, traveler's notebooks. So for $1.99, it's a good deal. And I was excited to buy that. I always love to buy the emoji stuff. This is $2.99. It's the 6x8 paper pad, which is a super, super fun size. And I got to make something with my daughter with this. So the code for this is 1958690. And I was surprised to see that. They had a ton of Heidi Swap. I was so tempted to buy it all, but I didn't. I just bought this one. It's $1.49. It's the Puffy Shapes Heidi Swap in the silver. It's 1976807. And then the last thing I got, oh, actually, two more things. Next to last thing is the my Mind's Eye wood veneer pieces. It's the By the Sea collection. It was $1.99. I think it's just a great deal. And it's normally $7.99, so really, really good deal. You can paint these or watercolor them, and the code for this is 1995856. Okay, and the last thing was I went ahead and picked this up. This is the tissue wrap plain. I have some tissue wrap that is printed on, and these are good to lay down for art journaling. So if you want to lay down something on your art journal, this is kind of nice to do. Kind of gives you kind of a clean look. I can stamp my own design on there and put that down. Or, you know, I don't know what else it can do. It says create your own designs using ink, stamps, and papers. I wonder if you could white emboss on it. I don't know. So maybe I'll try it and see, because if you can white emboss on it, and then you can like glue it down, but it's so thin. then you could just watercolor over it, and I don't know, you could do some really cool stuff with it. So anyway, I don't know, but $3.49 to try it. Why not? And the code for that was 1957857. Then Hobby Lobby. I have been looking for the pink passport forever, and somebody had found these. They're from the pink passport line, but they're like little treat bags or something. And I could not find them at my Hobby Lobby, and actually, part of it was I felt stressed out because my son had me on a timer, and so I was only allowed to be in there for 10 minutes. Because he didn't want to be in there. And so I felt stressed out. So they could have been in there and I just missed it. I don't know. But anyway, I did get this paper. It is so cute. And I want to make a traveler's notebook using this girl down here so bad. It is just, they have eyelash paper and oh my gosh, it's so cute. The Vespa and ice cream cones and lips. And it's just super adorable. So that was $14.99, but it was half off, so 50% off. And then I got a couple other papers at 50% off. And it's funny because one Hobby Lobby has way more like Prima than the other one. And so the one day I went there, they had Prima, and the next day I went to a different one, and I was disappointed. But anyway, Webster's pages, they had this one called My Happy Place, which I have not seen. It's a 13-piece paper and sticker kit. Here's all the papers on there. And $9.99, and it's half off. So really good deal, $5.50 or $5.49 or whatever. So I got that one. I got this Go See Explore, which I think is a newer one because I don't remember seeing it. It's a Lori Whitlock. It's more of a masculine look to it, in my opinion. And it's $9.99 and half off. So just the same price you would get at Tuesday morning. I just realized that. So it's nice. And then the photo play, they have all the photo play, which is really cool. So I feel like going back and getting more. But I love the color palette, and I really love the watermelons. I just think it's spectacular. $9.99 at 50% off. So I got that. And then two more things that I got. It didn't go crazy there. But they did have this Petals and Blooms. Some of this line was on clearance. So if you're interested in the planner and like the filler for the planner, that was there. But I wasn't into it. So it's Paper Studio. But I did love this clipboard. It's normally $8 or $7.99. It was reduced to $1.99. So I went and got that. And then the last thing that I got, was it the last thing? No, it's not the last thing. I have more things. I'm lying to you. I had gone there on a different day and bought this. Or no, I went on the same day. I used my 40% off coupon. And this is the 3-in-1, like the scallop tag punch, but it does a banner. So I am excited to try that out. Hopefully demoing that to you guys and showing you what that is. On a different day, I should have said, they had the Sizzix for 30% off. And I didn't buy a lot, but I did buy these two things. One is the emoji one, because how freaking cute is that, especially the embossing folder. And then it has the most adorable dies ever in the world. And look what they did in the back with this. Holy smokes, that's so adorable. So my daughter would just die. She's 10 years old. She would just literally die. And then I got this. This is a cut and emboss in one step. Don't know what that means. I'm going to have to check it out and see. I'm excited about that. It's got a presslet. It does a coffee cup. I was going to buy a coffee cup from somewhere else, but the price on this was so much better. It's $10.99 plus it was 30% off. So it's really not a bad price at all, I think, really, because I wanted a coffee cup. So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cray the Heart.